So, how's it going, everyone? It's that time of the year again. Everyone's going crazy, stressed out. There's the smell of barbecues, sizzlers, and bare feet. But whenever the conversation of Christmas movies comes up, there's always Home Alone, Love Actually, The Grinch Who Stole Christmas, or fucking Elf. Well, forget all that, because I'm here to tell you my list of Christmas movies. So everyone argues whether Die Hard's a Christmas movie, but no one ever talks about Die Hard 2. That's one of my favourites, and it makes the list at number 1.
Jingle bell rock.
Christmas Eve, Washington, D.C. International Airport.
What's this about?
Oh, just a feeling I have.
Ouch. When you get those feelings, insurance companies start to go bankrupt.
Oh, we are just up to our neck in terrorists again, John.
This time, it'll blow you sky high. Bruce Willis, Die Hard 2.
So next up I've got Gremlins, which is kind of a depressing Christmas movie, especially this part.
It was snowing outside. The house was freezing, so I went to try to light up the fire, and that's when I noticed the smell.
So here's one you haven't heard of, and it's Kiss Kiss Bang Bang.
Harry was a small-time crook. Oh boy. Till he opened the door.
Oh, no, we're not ready for your audition.
Just take him, he's ready. You ready, right?
To a really big break.
Get me Gay Perry on the phone.
But he'll need a real cop if he wants to act the part.
You must be
Gay Perry?
still gay?
Me? No. I just like the name so much, I can't get rid of it.
So what do you do?
I'm a private detective. She thinks I'm a detective.
Of all the idiot things to do.
2 corpses in 3 hours. I mean, that's unusual, right?
Yes.
Ow! Did I just cut off your finger?
Yeah. It's on the floor. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Kiss Kiss Bang Bang.
Next up is one of my favourite Batman movies, featuring my man, Michael Keaton. And he's battling it out at Christmas time with Mr. Nose Eater, Danny DeVito. Hey ladies, you like Colin Farrell, right? Well, this is my next favourite Christmas movie, In Bruges.
I've got to quite like Bruges now. It's like a fairy tale or something.
Alright.
What?
Righto, so you might want to fight me on this next one, but I don't care because this is my show, and that's The Lord of the Rings. Technically, the Fellowship left Rivendell on the 25th of December, making it a Christmas movie. And last on the list, we have Invasion USA, because you can't spell Christmas without Chuck Norris.
Can I put the star up this year?
Time for dinner.
No one thought it could ever happen here. They are an army of international terrorists. Their target, America. Their objective, control. Only one thing stands in their way.
It's time to die.
Chuck Norris. Invasion USA.
So if you have any others, why don't you put them down in the comments below. Give me a like, share this video with someone, and make sure you have a good, safe Christmas and a happy new year. I'll see you in the next one, eh?